I've been using Tesla's stock carpet mats, and I even tested a cheap plastic set from Temu. But Michelin just sent me their official custom fit TPE all-weather mats for Model Y Juniper. Is it actually worth upgrading to a big name like Michelin, or should you save your cash? Here's the deal. Stock carpet mats look clean on day one, but one rainy afternoon or dog walk, and they turn into a sponge for dirt, mud, and smells. So I tried these cheap plastic mats from Temu. They solve the mud issue, but they're thin, slide around underfoot, feel super slick when wet, and I noticed that it had a bend near the edge of the center console. Enter the Michelin 6-piece Elite TPE set. These are specifically for the Model Y footwells. They feel thicker and they are eco-friendly, with a tread design inspired by Michelin tires to channel liquid away from your feet. Drop them in and the edges look flush against the center console and door sills. Zero gaps and zero sliding. Just look at the back trunk mats from Temu. See how it slides with just a finger push? Now, let's look at the Michelin one. The mat won't slide. Instead, they grip the trunk floor securely and they bend upward, no matter how hard I tried. To see if the Michelin is worth the price tag, let's do some quick simple tests. First, the wet shoe friction. The Temu plastic mats get slick, but Michelin's high grip mats bite into your shoes so your foot doesn't slip when driving. Second, the spill test. When I poured water on the Temu mat, sure, the cheap plastic held it, but it created a massive puddle right here. That means if you spill a drink or get in with wet shoes, that water is slashing around and soaking right into your pant legs. The Michelin mat was a different story. Its deep tread channels immediately funneled and trapped the liquid down below, keeping the surface completely slip-free. And finally, the dirt containment test. I took some dry dirt and sprinkled it across both mats. With the cheap Temu mats, the shallow grooves couldn't contain the dirt, leaving it sitting right on the surface. This is bad news because the dirt isn't trapped below foot level. It can track right back onto your shoes and clothes or grind scratches into your pedals. Plus, if you run the AC through the foot vents, you end up blowing that loose dirt all over your interior. The Michelin mats were a completely different story. Instead of shallow, tiny grooves, these mats feature deep grooves channels, keeping most of the dirt trapped down deep and off the surface, keeping every step clean. If you want the absolute cheapest option, Temu works in a pinch, but you sacrifice safety, grip, and fitment. If you want heavy-duty, millimeter-perfect protection backed by a brand that literally specializes in rubber and grip, the Michelin set is an absolute winner for the Model Y.
Goodbye.
If you are interested in getting your set of Michelin mats or want to see the other options they offer, use the link down in the description below. If you purchase using my link, you will be supporting this channel. Hit the like and subscribe for more Tesla content. And if you guys want me to try out any other accessories, let me know. Thank you for watching.